Rain in the Denver metro area since over to heavy snow early Tuesday evening. The temperature at 6 p.m. in Denver was 34 degrees. So the snow so far has not been striking on roads, but that will sense overnight at temperature dip. Sick roads development quickly during the afternoon drive in the near the foothills. A jackknifed semi-truck slowed down commuters that were traveling along Interstate 70 near the Evergreen Parkway through early in the evening on Tuesday. As a result, of the weather conditions, Denver Public Schools announced just before 7 p.m. that all schools will be closed on Wednesday. Around the same time, Aurora Public
Colorado.
School also announced they will be closed Wednesday.
Already whiteout
Many
conditions.
other school districts on
yeah.
Colorado front range the
Yes.
fluid sweets. The nature of this Colorado spring
Beautiful
storm
out here,
is
beauty.
resulting in the
Crazy
some bad
snow
visibility
chasing.
for
Check
driver
out
in the some
Dad's
areas.
Born
There has
Live
also been a
YouTube.
fair
Taylor
amount of
investigates.
fog, including in the Denver
the
Break Center and
ground
the
zero
Castle
of
Rock. The Wednesday
this
morning
epic
commute
May
will be very
winter
sleek across the
storm.
state.
2+ feet expected.
The
in
sink
this
of plants
area.
of along
Just
trekking place for
west
plants
of Boulder.
drifting from
Commons,
Denver International
Colorado.
Airport
Let's
on Thursday
go!
night. The airport said before the snow started, Denver recorded more than a quarter of an incident. The mile high city is projected to get about 3 to 6 inches of snow by the time the storm moves out during the day on Wednesday.